Here's how to find your YouTube stream key. First, you need to go to YouTube, and then after, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner after logging in. Now select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu that appears. Now in the bottom left, click on Settings. Now go to Channel, which is between General and Upload Defaults. Go to the Feature Eligibility tab, and under Intermediate Features, click on Arrow. Now from the drop-down menu that appears, enable this feature by verifying your phone number and you'll receive a code via text or call. Then select Go Live option, and you may need to wait for a countdown to finish. And once you have access, click on Go Live again and tap on Stream in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this screen, tap on Learn how to use encoders, and here you'll get the stream key. Tap on this eye icon over here to reveal it, and then you can tap on this copy icon, copy it in your clipboard, and then you can use it to stream or go live on YouTube. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.